Make that monster grow! Go Power Rangers! Go Power Rangers!
I mighty morphed when the mighty Lord put grace upon me. Direct source of his glory, taught and redeemed holy. The great comforter, love smotherer laid on me. Renewed in me a right spirit and clean artery. I'm fully charged, my rap bars are word drenched. I'm a wordsmith with my spit, this is worship. Divinely purposed to face nurture with flame verses. Refrain cursing and preach God in 3 verses. The triune like a typhoon, I'm overtaken. Denying Satan for God's greatness, no more waiting. My scope's aiming at lost hearts where it all starts. Mistreated by church heathens who speak false. Fake Christians who ain't Christians, they're tomb dogs. The true boss got me cranked up like a chainsaw. I'm brick hard for the raised Lord, a megazord with a mega sword to settle scores in this world war.
Battle scars, a battle worn, but I'm penetrating my power source. And with the divine ferocity, I'm attacking with a wild force. Energized with a CO crystal that has me feeling turbocharged. And when that music kicks my ears, I'm rising up like dragons or a samurai. Riven ninja stones, I'm a guardian with the silver heart. Told put it here too forewarned that the only force stronger than Zordon of Eltar is my lord, and he roars in my core like a crane soars through night stars. I'm in rare form, feeling reborn, then an on guard, ready to spar, hand to hand with gold darts. So I go hard and remain starved for a legacy that will be carved within command center walls. Cause nobody's breaking my resolve, and I walk tall through serious jungles, unfazed by Donald Thunder with no umbrage. And God's wonder on my side as I voyage through lost galaxies, time portals, space realms in the city of corn that light speeds. And now I'm roaring like a white tiger who's now soaring a relentless state of overdrive that's mega enforced and mighty morphin'.
The risen Lord is the stimulant for my brain endorphins. His glory courses my frame, changed his metamorphosis. Like running faucets, the Lord is awesome, I can't exhaust him. The living well that never dries supplies me often. I move bold on the stone cold, I'm Steve Austin. I'm God's own in my Christ zone, I'm faith walking. I'm faith talking, I'm praise sparking, my blade sharpened. The dark days in my old ways, I came off it.
We fight often, we're unconscious, take no nonsense. Shouting truth to the heavens, so let's just be honest. When the Ranger Squad combines forces, it's like a Tyrannosaurus and Chuck Norris combating all the world's horrors at all corners, through all borders like fierce warriors, holding on to our faith, man, we're like hoarders. So no sorcerers or grown monsters can ever stop us. We are stalwarts, say yo, Philip Charles with honor.
Can't stress what it means to be seen by the King of the Kings. It's clean, not that I've got it for certain, but what I don't own in this stage of my life I'll obtain. Been broken with oceans of tears and a dam that blocks them off, which fuels that eager expectation, the revelation of the truest nation. When I speak of my life, it's a regular thought that it's gotta be born, but then when I sleep, it's often the case that a demon will war with me, and there's more unseen that you'll never believe. I got no local drama.